Hello, my name is Amandine Verstegen and I'm a PhD student at Ghent University. During my internship at Thomas More University of Applied Sciences, I published a paper called Designing a Smartphone-Based VR Relaxation App, a qualitative crossover study. In this study, we designed a new smartphone-based virtual reality or VR relaxation app. The aim of this app is to overcome at least some of the current barriers that limit the use of VR for relaxation, and in doing so make VR relaxation accessible to a broader audience. The barriers include limited knowledge of how to operate common standalone VR headsets, the lack of relaxation apps in the appropriate language for local healthcare systems, and cost concerns. The app was developed based on two key components. First, we conducted a study in which 30 participants tested and reviewed two already existing standalone VR relaxation apps, Flowborn and Calmplace. Their feedback consistently highlighted 5 key themes: audio, visuals, features, implementation, and overall experience. Then we analyzed these findings in detail and used them to inform the development of our new app called the Immersive Mental Health app, or the IMH app. Second, we consulted the existing literature on VR relaxation app design to identify important design principles and best practices. So based on these two things, the user study and the literature, we created our Immersive Mental Health, or IMH app. The IMH app is freely available for both Android and iOS devices, and it's a Dutch language smartphone-based VR relaxation app that includes several customization options. Users can choose between 3 types of relaxation exercises, 2 guiding voices, male or female, and 3 different environments. The 3 exercises include 1 open exploration experience and 2 auditory guided exercises, one focused on mindfulness and the other on progressive muscle relaxation. The 3 available environments are a tropical beach, a winter landscape featuring the northern lights, and a mountain scenery. We also included as much variation and dynamic elements as possible, and each exercise is accompanied by calming music and natural sounds. The most important feature of this app is that it's specifically designed for smartphone-based VR, so you only need a VR viewer which costs around 15 to 20 euros or dollars, and you're all set. We chose JMIR formative research because their focus on the design of medical and health-related research and technology innovations aligns very well with our study on developing a smartphone-based VR relaxation app.